MOG 303. I thought you were a lady for a second. I'm like, hello, how may I help you? For what? Oh, what? Tell me to go over here. New weapons. Oh yeah, I forgot. Go over here. Let me go over here. You better not take anything. Everything. It looked like it had a BMX kind of thing on. 12. You want to 12? Fire. Yeah, fire's good on impact.
Thanks, Guardian.
Oh, I forgot. You can only take one weapon. Whoops! No, I'm stupid.
Leave it so long next time.
They do? No.
I'll remember you next time.
Okay, so.
Maybe.
Got you. You are 5 attack. You're a little more so. You look like a pistol. You are a pistol. Before that big mission that I have to do, I'm trying to like get all the stuff that could probably help me. Like be a lot stronger and stuff. Cause like attack is important. Your defense is really important, especially with that one dude. So yeah. So trying to get all that stuff. Rabid Badger 2085. I mean, whoops. You're right behind the dude. What? I can't hear a word you said, dude. Legendary marks. Ew. Whoa! I did not see you. But that's the only problem. If the developers had like put like even more effort than they have already put into it. I mean, I like the game, but it's just like a douche bag to me. I don't know why, because I try and try again and to defeat that one boss, but he's a douche. He's a douche, they say. But if they like put more crap, if they put like more, like even more, effort into it, or it didn't, like with the ships when you're in the city. I mean, they did like a really good job with the art design and stuff like that, but there's one problem. I wish you could like jump here and like land right on the ship and like be able to walk and stuff like you could do in real life and stuff. That would just make my day. Basically. So. But yeah, I know. But that would have been cool though. It'd be funny if it like did that and like maybe like go flying with it, and I'll be like, what? Hello.
This is the place. Been to the Crucible?
You one big fella.
Let's get to it.
Okay, mate. Oh, you got good stuff. Oh, what? Aren't you the same ones? Oh, no. Okay. Oh. Oh, what? You get intellect in this game? I didn't know that. And discipline. What? That looks like a dirt bike helmet.
Get out there and burn it.
Okay, Mike. do whatever I can, mate. Hello. Hello. Why are you stopping? You know you could like go right through me, right? See? What? Stop. See? I'm gonna go. No, I'm already dead, so. Whoa, I jumped far. I like jumped right in her face. Wow.
Here we go.
That was weird.
Come back.
It's like,
Step forward. Okay. The war will never end.
yeah, I forgot I was a warlock, so. Oh. Shiny.
Strength in light.
Thanks. Oh, did you fart? I saw that cape go back. Saw that cape go back.
I got what you need.
No. Sorry you don't, dude. Mostly because I want that so bad. Can I have it for free? Eh? Aww.
Watch yourself.
Thanks, I will.
Anything to cash in?